Hello friends, welcome to Vamshi's Mathematics Academy. Today I am going to discuss a topic on integers, how to add and subtract integers. Topic we will discuss. In this topic, lot of members adding integers and subtracting integers. Lot of members are troubling and facing lot of problems. అట్లా కాకుండా చాలా ఈజీయెస్ట్ మెథడ్లో ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ అండ్ వెరీ ఈజీ మెథడ్ అండ్ సింపుల్ మెథడ్. ఓకే, this topic is very important 6th class to and 10th class. Okay, basic thing, this is basic example, and without this topic in higher classes you can't do anything. Okay, yeah, let's see the problems on integers. Yeah, first before starting the adding problems and adding and subtracting problem, first you should know what is the meaning of integers. Simple. First, integers are represented by z. Integers are represented by z. Okay, what are integers? Integers are nothing but positive numbers and negative numbers together is known as integers, and including zero is known as integers. Place values, positive numbers are nothing but place values, and negative numbers are nothing but minus values, and including zero is known as integers. Integers are represented by z. Example: 0 plus 1 minus 1 plus 2 minus 2 plus 3 minus 3, so on, etc. These are the example of integers. Now let's see the topic. This topic is, this concept is very important. Plus into plus is equal to plus, minus into minus is equal to plus into minus is equal to minus, minus into plus is equal to minus. This is the basic thing. First one is plus into plus is equal to plus, minus into minus is equal to plus. Third one is plus into minus is equal to minus. Fourth one is minus into plus is equal to minus. Here, how should we remember this signs? Simple. Two plus signs is equal to plus. Similar signs is equal to plus. Alternative signs, that is nothing but one is plus, one is minus, is minus. Okay, now let's see the example. Examples. First one, plus 2 plus 5. Yeah. How should we add these two integers? Simple. Here two integers are there. One is plus 2, one is plus 5. Now first compare or check signs. Now two having this sign here. First one is plus, second integer is having a plus symbol. Both are having plus symbol. Here both are plus means what we have to do? Addition. No, addition is nothing but what we have to do? Add. 2 plus 5, 7. In this one, which number is bigger number? Yeah, clearly 5 is the bigger one. 5 having this symbol, plus, puts plus symbol. How? Otherwise, this is one method. One more method is a plus 2. How many places are there? 2. Second integer is plus, that also plus. How many places are there? 5. 3, 4. Here write 5 places. First one is 2 places. Now cancel 1 plus 1 plus get cancelled. 1 plus 1 plus get cancelled. Okay. But here 2 places are there, right? Here don't cancel these plus symbols. Right, first place, 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 place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second one is 5 integers. First one is 2 integers. Now both are same. I can't cancel this number. The total is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Add total all signs are 7. Yeah. Play all place symbols. Now they put place symbol. Take example, one more example. Let's see one more example. Minus 3 plus 2. Okay. This answer is, yeah, first number is first integer is 3 having minus symbol. Second integer is 2 having plus symbol. One is minus, one is plus. One is minus, one is plus. Output is minus. Minus means what we have to do? Subtraction. Now 3 minus 2 is nothing but 1. In this one, which number is bigger number? 3 is the bigger one. 3 having which symbol? Minus symbol. Put minus symbol. This is the answer. Now, or first integer is minus 3, write 3 minus symbols. Second integer is plus 2, write 2 plus symbols. Now 1 minus plus get cancelled. Here 1 minus 1 plus get cancelled. Here left number is only 1 minus. 1 minus, write minus. Simple. Next, let's see the third example. Plus 9 minus 2. Okay? No. 9 having which symbol? Plus. 2 having which symbol? Minus. 1 is plus, 1 is minus. Plus into minus is equal to minus. Minus means what we have to do? Subtraction. 9 minus 2, 7. In this one, which number is bigger number? 9 is the bigger one. 9 having which symbol? Plus symbol. Put plus symbol. ORR. First integer is 9. Write 9 plus symbols 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now second integer is minus 2. Write minus 2 symbols. 1 plus 1 minus get cancelled. 1 plus 1 minus is get cancelled. Left symbols are plus symbols, that are how many are that count? Remaining symbols 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus symbol. Clear? Next, let's see fourth example. Minus 6 plus 2. Otherwise, over the example to now minus 6 minus 2. 6 having this symbol here minus. 2 having this symbol minus. Both are minus. Both are minus means minus into minus is nothing but plus. Plus means what we have to do? Addition. 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2, 8. In this one, which number is bigger number? 6 is the bigger one. 6 having this symbol minus symbol. Put minus symbol. Yeah. ORR. 6 minus symbols 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Second number is minus 2 symbols. Both are same symbols. I cannot cancel this one. Count total how many symbols are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 answer is 8. Which symbols? These all are minus symbols. Put minus. These are the integers, adding integers and subtracting integers concept. Okay. Next, last example is whenever we will get to 0 on that time, how should we add and how should we subtract? This is also very important. Example 5 is 9 plus 0. Simple students, 0 has no value. Whenever you will get a 0 concept, just cancel 0. Left number is 9, right 9. Beside 9, nothing is in, means assume plus symbol plus. One more example, 0 minus 6. Same. 0 has no value here. Whenever you will get a 0 value, just cancel 0. Answer is minus 6. Left number is minus 6. This is the concept, students. Adding integers and subtracting integers. Okay. That's all for today's class, students. If you are watching first time this video, share my. If you are watching first time my video, subscribe my channel, like it, and share to your friends. Thank you so much. Me Vamshi Kumar.